Namaste dear students. Now we will discuss the question number 3 of NCERT exercise 11.2 of your mathematics book for class 10th. Question number 3 is to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and then have to take 2 points P and Q on its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Then draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. You will see the problem again. You will find the problem. Here is the scale. Now look here. What do you see? Using this virtual, what I have, the virtual compass. In this compass, we cannot take a length or a radius or an arc less than 3.5. Okay, so here is 3.3, here is 3, and it is up to this point, so 3.5. So minimum circle that we can draw by using this virtual compass is of radius 3.5 centimeter. So I change the question slightly. I change the question, this question I change it. Okay, it is 3, so I change it and 3 to 3.5 centimeter. But in your case, you will have your physical compass and a scale. So in that physical compass, you can easily, I think, you can take 3 centimeter radius easily. Now let's draw a circle of radius. Actually in question 3 centimeter, I am drawing this circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now the second thing, we have to take a length. Let's name it, name of this, suppose center of the circle is O, and then choose a point. This is a circle of radius what, 7 centimeter, sorry, 3.5 centimeter. Now I am matching this 0 denomination of the scale with the center of the circle, and then this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have to draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. Okay, so on the same line segment, if we draw match this 7 with the center, and from 0 to, okay, so we have drawn. Now I would like to explain. This is center O, what I have done. So here it is diameter, this is diameter, got it? This is the diameter and this is the extension part of the diameter has been extended, so we have to take P and Q on the extended part of the diameter. Here is P and here is Q. Both the points P and Q, this point P and Q, are 7 centimeter away from this center O. This is center, and P and Q both are away from center 7 centimeter away. Okay, so it is your question. Draw a circle. We have drawn. In a spite of 3 centimeter, we have drawn 3.5 centimeter. Then we have taken P and Q on its extended diameter. This is the extended diameter. This is the diameter and its extended part. So extended diameter, okay, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from center. So obviously it is length of OP is 7 centimeter and OQ is also 7 centimeter. Now what the next part of the question is to draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So now next thing is to draw tangent. Next thing is to draw tangents. Okay, tangents. We have to draw tangents from P and Q. So we will use this compass. Okay, now look here, we put the scale at the top. Now we don't require. Dear students, so first of all from P, let's draw the tangents. To draw tangents from P, what do you do? As usual, we take a length of arc more than half of OP, okay, and draw what you draw, an arc above OP and below OP. Okay, let's draw. Now below OP we are drawing below P. Now put the tip of the compass at P and again draw the arc above OP and below OP. So you have seen how it intersect each other. Let's name the point where these arcs intersect each other. Suppose it is L and it is M. Now we will join these 2 points using what you call a scale. Okay. Now join. Okay. You have got midpoint. Suppose it is C1. Okay. Now using this C1, draw a circle. Using this C1, draw a circle of radius okay. Now draw a circle and look where this white circle look here, we will have to draw a circle of radius Okay, you got it. So taking C1 as center and OC1 and PC1 which are equal, taking C1 as center and OC1 which is equal to PC1 as radius, we have drawn a white circle. You can see the white circle is intersecting the red one circle at A and B. These are the intersection points. Okay. Now use a scale, join these points, join it, join AP, join AP and join it. Okay, AP. So you have got a tangent, so a tangent AP, and similarly if you join BP, you will get another one tangent to the circle. So the another tangent is BP. Thus we have drawn tangents from this point P to the circle as AP and BP. Now what we have to do? We have to draw also tangents from point Q. For this, the similar process we will do. Put the tip of this compass at Q and then at C1, and again draw more than the length of half of the length of, okay, so again draw two arcs okay, above OQ and then below OQ. Now put the tip at C, sorry, O at the O. Put this tip at O and draw again arc below OQ and okay above OQ. So now arc has been drawn. Now using a scale, join these two arcs. You will see now join it. say okay. So we have drawn perpendicular bisector. Let's name the point where it intersects as C2. So C2 is the point where it intersects. From C2, again we have to draw a circle taking C2Q or OC2. Both are equal. Here OC2 is equal to QC2. Both are equal. So taking OC2 or QC2 as radius, draw a circle. For this, put the tip of the circle at Q and okay. So sorry, we have to put the tip of the circle at C and take it okay. So now the circle has been drawn. Look where the circle intersect each other. Name these points. This blue circle intersect the red circle at two distinct points. Look at distinct point. Let us name the distinct point as C. This is C and suppose it is D. Then what we have to do? Very easy. Just join CQ, join it, CQ, okay. Now join CQ, you will get a tangent okay. CQ. We have joined the CQ. Now join DQ. You will get another tangent to the circle. Okay, another tangent has been drawn. Let's see. We have drawn tangents from this point Q to the circle having center O, radius 3.5 centimeter as QC and QD, and from point P as AP and BP. Thus you have seen how we have completed the question. Now next thing is justification. Justification is that QC, AP, BP, DQ are the tangents to the circle. For this, what we have to do? We have to just join OC and you know QCO is in this semicircle, so obviously it will be right angle triangle, that is 90 degree and hence or consequently you will say QC and OC both are perpendicular to each other. Here OC is the radius of this circle, red circle, it is radius, and QC is tangent, so radius is perpendicular to tangent. Similarly for other tangents also you can show. Okay, thank you so much.